Another little tip, this container does not contain with Plunk Plunk Fizz. This container is a waterproof, airtight container, and what it does contain is vegetable oil. Very small little thing, but that is enough for about a month, maybe. Now, you don't use it for cooking. That's not the purpose of this tube. This tube is for your bumhole. Now, yes, you can go and spend money on wet wipes and your gremlin exploding with water or tissues, or you get yourself a bog roll. Just normal toilet paper and some oil. Now, the idea is you get a bit of this oil, rub it around your bumhole and in between your cheeks. And that way, when you go for a crap, there's less chance of it sticking to you. Less toilet paper to use. Less mess, less waste, less things to bury. So, just a little hint. And you could also use it for cooking.